Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to mark a notification as unread on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it even easier to keep track of important notifications you might want to revisit later. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to make sure you never miss out on crucial information again. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons, including the familiar bell icon for notifications. Now, click on that notifications icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you all your recent notifications. This is where the magic happens, so pay close attention. Scroll through your notifications until you find the one you want to mark as unread. Maybe it's an event invitation you need to respond to later, or a comment on your latest post that requires a thoughtful reply. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. Here's the crucial step. Look for the three dots on the right side of the notification. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them, and a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see several choices. The one we're interested in is Mark as Unread. Go ahead and click on that option. Voila! You've just marked the notification as unread. By marking a notification as unread, you're essentially telling Facebook to remind you about it later. It's a great way to prioritize your interactions and ensure you don't forget about important updates. Remember, you can use this feature for any type of notification, from friend requests to group activity updates. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help you stay organized in the bustling world of social media. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to mark a notification as unread on Facebook using your PC. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a game changer for managing your online presence. Give it a try and see how it can improve your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.